All right, this is going to be the theme song to the film Blazing Saddles. Mel Brooks was involved in this one. Richard Pryor was involved in this one. So this is some funny stuff here. We got a D chord. We got like a galloping country type of a beat. So we're going down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up to the G. We do that twice for the intro. So let's try that real slow. 3, 4. Okay, then we get started with the verse. It's like 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So that's one pattern. It's like 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Then we're gonna switch to the G. B minor, 4, 4, 3, 2. So let's look at all that. From the verse, we got 2 Ds, a B minor, and a G. 3, 4. Then we got F sharp minor, 4 with 2s. E minor, 2 with opens. And then A7sus is like 2, 2, and 3, 3. To the A, which could be the 3 2s on the top. Makes it kind of easier to go from that instead of having to go to that one. I like to use this one a lot. So from the verse, 3, 4. Second D, B minor, G, F sharp minor, E minor, A7sus, A. Okay, let's do that all slow. So it's D twice, B minor to G, F sharp minor to E minor, and then A7sus to A. 2, 3, 4. D, D again, B minor coming up, G, F sharp minor, E minor, A7sus, A. Now we're gonna start the second half of that. We got 2 Ds again, 3, 4. B minor again to G, F sharp minor. Then we're gonna go E minor 7 to A7sus. So those are quick. Bum da da bing dee ding, and then D twice. Okay, so it was like the E minor 7 to the A7sus split a measure there kind of thing. So we got verse again, 3, 4. B minor to G, F sharp minor to E minor, A7sus to A, D twice, B minor G, F sharp minor, E minor 7sus, D twice. Okay, then we're gonna go to G. This is gonna be a little kind of change. 3, 4. Twice on the G, F sharp minor, twice, G twice again. So let's look at those. So that's 2 Gs, 2 F sharp minors, back to 2 Gs. And then we're actually gonna go from C to A major. So 2 Gs to 2 F sharp minors. Here we go. 3, 4. F sharp minor twice, G twice again, and then C once, and A once, and then D twice, B minor G, F sharp minor. Then we got that E minor 7sus to A7sus, and then we have a new thing, D minor. So let's go over everything we had so far. This is kind of when it turns into like a very different section of the song. So we're gonna go over all those first things again. So we've got a D major. We're gonna go to the G. That's our intro. So bum da da dum da da dum da da G. We're gonna do that twice. So nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna start our verse. 2 Ds, B minor to G, and I'll call them off as we go. 3, 4. B minor G, F sharp minor to E minor, A7sus to A, 2 Ds, B minor to G, F sharp minor, and then E minor 7 to A sus to 2 Ds. Okay, so let's take that last half of that real slow. So it's going to be D twice, B minor, G, and then F sharp minor, quick E minor 7 to A7 sus, 2 Ds. So 2 Ds to start, 3, 4. B minor, G, F sharp minor, and then E minor 7 to A sus, D twice. And then we get into that he conquered fear and he conquered hate. We go to that G right there, 3, 4. 2 Gs, and then F sharp minor twice, 2 Gs, then C to A, and then 2 Ds, B minor, G, F sharp minor, and then that E minor 7 sus to A7. Now we have the new part, D minor. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. So it's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's D minor for like a whole one, and then it splits to the C on the second one, and then D minor whole one, and then it splits to the A. Okay, so 3, 4. To the C, to the A. Okay, now we start double D minors here. So 2 D minors, 3, 4. C, twice. B flat is these 3s. To an A. So each of these is 2 sets. Some D minor twice again. Then we have E flat, which is 5, 3, 4, 3. Double set of that. Then we got D minor to C. And then we got D minor twice. So let's go from all that D minor section. So D minor for 1, and then D minor and C split 1, and then D minor for a whole 1, and D minor to A major split 1. And we'll call them out from there. So 3, 4. To the C, to the A, and then 2 D minors, C, B flat, A, 2 D minors, and then we got E flat, and then we got D minor to C, 2 D minors. And then we got E flat twice. And then we have F to B flat. Kind of 1 each. And then we have E flat twice again. And then we have A twice. And then D minor twice. A minor twice. B flat twice. A twice. Back to B flat. F twice. And then we have E minor 7 to A. Like once each. And then we're back to a verse. 3, 4. B minor, G. F sharp minor, E minor, A7 sus to A. D's again, B minor, G, F sharp minor, E minor 7, A sus, D twice. Now we got that turnaround kind of thing, G, F sharp minor, G, and then C to A, 2 Ds, B minor, G. Now we're to this ending, we're gonna go. Okay, so that was a slow down and hold out these chords, F sharp minor to G. and then C. It's like that torch to light the way, that kind of thing. So torch to light, C to A, and then D, back to that original thing from the intro, to the G. 3 times, and end on D.